Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a small, independent coffee shop. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two friends and a friendly barista. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. What does it mean to be a regular at a coffee shop? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Here we are, Ken. This is my favorite coffee shop.
It's so small and cozy. It's not a big chain, is it?
No, it's not. A family owns it. I come here almost every morning.
Every morning? Wow, you must really love it.
I do. It's a small shop, but it feels warm. You will see.
Look at the little sign and the flowers by the door. It's so pretty.
The owner puts fresh flowers there every day. Small things like that matter here.
I can already smell the coffee from the street.
That smell comes from the back of the shop. They roast the coffee beans here.
They roast the beans here inside the shop? What does that mean?
Coffee beans are green before they are cooked. When you roast them, they turn brown.
Wait, coffee beans are green? I always thought they were brown.
Most people think that. The roasting makes them brown, and it makes the smell too.
So that wonderful smell is from roasting. Now I want to go in even more.
Big chains buy their beans already brown. Here, they roast them fresh.
That's a big difference. The shop feels alive.
And it's quiet in the morning. You can hear soft music inside.
I like that. A calm start to the day sounds nice.
There's a little bell on the door. It rings every time someone comes in.
That's so cute. It sounds like the shop is saying hello.
Leo waves at every person who walks in. He never forgets a face.
A shop that remembers you. I really like that idea.
It's the best part of my day. Come on, let's go inside. It's warm in there.
After you. I'm excited to see your favorite place.
Good morning, Ellie. The usual today?
Good morning, Leo. Yes, please. 1 latte, like always.
1 latte coming up. I see you brought a friend today.
Yes, his name is Ken. It's his first time. Can you make him something soft?
Of course. For a new coffee friend, I will make a pour-over.
A pour-over? Tell me again, how is that different from my latte?
For a pour-over, I pour hot water slowly over the coffee, by hand.
By hand, 1 cup at a time. That sounds slow.
It is slow, but the taste is clean and light. It's perfect for a beginner.
First, you need the beans, right? I see you grind them now.
Yes, I grind the beans fresh for every cup. Fresh beans, better taste.
And my latte starts with espresso, right?
That's right. For espresso, a machine pushes hot water through the coffee fast.
So mine is fast by machine and his is slow by hand.
Exactly. Then I add warm milk to your espresso and it becomes a latte.
That's why it's so soft and creamy. I love it every morning.
The menu is on the chalkboard behind me. We write it by hand each day.
I love that. The board always has a kind word on the bottom.
Today it says, Take it slow. Enjoy your morning.
That's perfect for today. We will take it slow.
I know you do. Go and sit down. I will bring both cups to your table.
Thank you, Leo. We will be by the window, like always.
Of course, your favorite seat. Give me a few minutes.
No rush. The smell alone is making us happy. Wait, look here first. The pastries are by the window.
They look amazing. Are they made here too?
Yes, they bake them fresh every morning before the shop opens.
So early? Someone wakes up before the sun to bake these?
That's right. Fresh bread and fresh coffee every single morning.
I can smell the warm bread too. It's so nice.
That smell is half the fun. Now, what is this one with the many layers?
I don't know. Why does it have so many layers?
That's a croissant. It has many thin layers of butter inside.
That's why it looks so light. The layers make it soft and crispy.
Exactly. Soft inside, crispy outside. It's my favorite with coffee.
And what is the round one next to it?
That's a muffin. This one has blueberries inside.
They all look so good. It's hard to choose just one.
I know the feeling, but the croissant is best for your first time.
Why the croissant?
Because the warm croissant and a soft coffee go well together.
Then I will try the croissant. It looks perfect for a morning.
Good choice. You can try the muffin next time.
How many do they bake in one morning?
A lot, but they sell out fast. The early morning is the best time to come.
So the early birds get the best pastries.
Exactly. That's another good reason to wake up early.
My stomach is happy already. This place feels really special.
It is. Let's look around a little while we wait.
What are all these bags on the shelf?
Those are coffee beans. You can buy a bag and make coffee at home.
There are so many kinds. Why are they not all the same?
Because coffee grows in many warm countries around the world.
So the coffee in each bag comes from a different place.
Yes, and the place changes the taste a little.
The place changes the taste? That's new to me.
Look, this bag says all the beans come from one farm.
One farm, so one clear taste. That's easy to understand.
Right. Beans from one place can taste a little sweet or a little like fruit.
Coffee can taste like fruit? Really?
Really? Some are soft, some are strong. Each bag is a little different.
I never thought about where my coffee comes from.
Most people don't, but here they like to tell you the story.
How do I make this at home? Do I need a big machine?
No, you just need hot water and a simple cup filter. It's easy.
That sounds nice. Maybe I will buy a bag for home.
A bag of beans is a nice gift, too. I gave one to my mother last week.
That's a good idea. Coffee and a kind thought together.
Right. And if you want less caffeine, they have soft decaf beans, too.
Good to know. I can drink coffee at night then.
That's the fun of coffee. There's always something new to learn.
I believe it. Every shelf here tells a little story.
One cup at a time. Today, just enjoy your first pour-over.
You're right. I have a lot to learn, and that's fun.
That's the spirit. Oh, look, I think our coffee is ready.
Here you go, Ellie. One latte for you and one pour-over for your friend.
Thank you, Leo. Oh, look at the top of my latte.
I made a little leaf for you with the milk today.
It's so pretty. How do you draw a leaf like that?
No pen, no tool. I make it only by the way I pour the milk.
Only by pouring the milk? That always looks like magic to me.
It takes a lot of practice. I move my hand slowly and the picture appears.
Today, it's a leaf. Yesterday, it was a little heart.
I try to make each one a small surprise for you.
How long did it take you to learn?
Many months. My first leaves looked more like clouds.
Well, this one is too pretty to drink, but I will drink it anyway.
You say that every morning, and you always finish it.
You know me so well, Leo.
Of course, you're one of our regulars, Ellie. I already know your usual.
A regular. I like that word. It means I belong here a little.
You do. A regular comes often, so we know them and their usual order.
And you remember my name, my drink, even my favorite seat.
After a while, regulars become like family here. That's my favorite part.
Maybe one day you will make a heart on his cup too.
I would be happy to. New faces become regulars all the time.
It's my favorite part too. Thank you, Leo. We will enjoy these.
Enjoy. And tell your friend he is welcome back anytime.
I will. I think he likes it here already. Let's sit here by the window. This is my favorite seat.
It's so quiet and warm. Okay, first sip. It's so good.
I knew you would like it. The pour-over is soft, right?
Very soft, and the croissant is still warm. This is a perfect morning.
And look outside. You can watch people walk by while you drink.
The morning light is so nice here. I feel calm already.
Can you hear the soft music? It's the same every morning.
I can. It makes the coffee taste even better somehow.
They know my coffee order by heart now. I never have to say it.
That must feel really nice every single morning.
By the way, Leo called me a regular at the counter.
A regular? What does that mean?
A regular is someone who comes here often, so the staff knows you and your usual order.
So Leo knows your name, your drink, everything. That's so warm.
This is why I love small shops. A big chain is fast, but this feels like home.
At a big chain, no one knows my name. Here, it feels different.
That's the magic of a small shop. People come for the coffee and stay for the people.
It feels like a small community, not just a shop.
That's a lovely way to say it. A warm morning makes the whole day better.
I can see why you come every morning. Thank you for bringing me here, Ellie.
Look, there's a dog waiting outside for its owner. Even the dogs are regulars here.
That's so sweet. The whole street feels like one big family.
Anytime. A good coffee is even better with a good friend.
That was wonderful. I don't want to leave.
We can come back. Now you know the way.
I want to come back. Actually, I want to become a regular here too.
Oh, really? So you remember what a regular is?
Of course, a regular comes here often, so the staff knows you and your usual order.
Perfect. And soon Leo will say, "The usual, Ken?"
I hope so. I think my usual will be a pour-over and a croissant.
And one day you can wave back when Leo waves at you.
I can't wait. I want to be part of this place.
A great choice. Come with me tomorrow morning and we can start.
Should we buy a bag of beans before we go?
Good idea. Then you can make a soft pour-over at home tonight.
I will try, but it won't be the same without Leo's smile.
That's true. The coffee is good, but the people make it special.
Tomorrow morning sounds perfect. Same time, same little coffee shop.
Same warm welcome, too. That's the best part.
I learned so much today. Green beans, pour-over, and latte art.
You learned the most important thing, too. A small shop has a big heart.
You're right. The coffee was warm, but the welcome was warmer.
Now you really understand this little place. That makes me happy.
A small shop, a friendly face, and good coffee. What a perfect morning.
Welcome to your new morning routine, Ken. See you tomorrow.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What does it mean to be a regular at a coffee shop? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.